Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a Dholki night look or Mehndi night look. This is basically a no makeup look. First of all, I'm gonna prep my skin with the Beautyfy by Amna's 24K Roses in Gold Serum. I'll apply properly on my face. Guys, for a wedding or any makeup look, if prepping your skin इज़ मस्ट मतलब आप ज़रूर अच्छी तरह में प्रेप करें और स्पेशली वेडिंग लुक में आपको बहुत ज़रूरी सो आई एम डैबिंग आफ्टर डैबिंग that serum into my skin. Now I'm going with the primer. This is Diana of London Mattifying Primer. I'll dab this into my skin with my fingers properly. Mainly I'll focus on the T-zone area or my cheeks where you get pores. Okay. After applying the primer, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going for foundation. I'm taking L'Oreal Infallible 24 hours in the shade 015 porcelain. Okay, I went for a bit lighter shade because it was a wedding event look, so but I'll adjust this with contouring. Okay, so I'll blend this properly. After that, I'll go with Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade light pale. I'll apply this on T-zone or under my eyes. Then I'll blend this properly with a beauty blender. Properly, guys, excuse my faces. The faces I make are very funny. After that, I'm going with the MAC Studio Fix NC20 powder to set my under eyes and my face. Guys, don't apply much of powder. It will give your foundation a cakey feeling. Just apply one layer of that. So I'm doing the same, taking a brush. I'm dusting off the excess powder under my eyes or on my face. So after setting my face with MAC Studio Fix powder, next up I'm taking this brown eyeshadow for my eyes. I'll apply this mainly in my crease. On both of my eyes, I lightly apply this brown eyeshadow. This is a no makeup look, so I'll not go with much of eyeshadow or on whole of my lid. And just I'll apply this just in my crease. Okay, guys, very lightly. After that, I'm taking a Kryolan's Aqua Cake liner. You can take any liner you want, and I'll apply that with a liner brush. I'll just line my lid and then I'll smudge that. So first of all, I'm lining my lid with the Kryolan Aqua Cake. So after that, I'll take a blending brush and a black eyeshadow and I'll smudge this eyeliner on my eyes. I'll not go very higher, but I'll keep this low. As you guys can see, I'm doing it right here. You need to follow the same, like very lightly blend that eyeliner, smudge that eyeliner into the place. Don't go high towards your crease. Guys, remember to hold brush from end while doing your eyebrows. So after doing that, what I'm gonna I was searching for my mascara which I lost, so I'm going with the Maybelline falsies. I'll apply coats of mascara on my eyes and then I'll move back towards my now I'll highlight my inner corners, tear duct, and then I'll move back towards my face. Now for contouring, I am taking the Makeup Revolution's Trio Kit. I'll take the contouring shade and start contouring my face, the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, because I have a double chin. So that's important too. Contour your cheek. So after doing my forehead, now I'm going towards my cheek. Now for blush, I'm taking the Urbandecay Trio palette. I'll take the darkest shade because it's night time, तो आपको थोड़ा सा dark blush चाहिए होता है, ठीक है. Blush के बाद I'll go with the Makeup Revolution's Pro Highlight. I love this highlighter, guys. This is very pigmented and very beautiful highlight. I love a lot of highlighters, so I am applying that everywhere on my face. So after highlighter, I'll move towards lips. For that, I'm taking, to line my lips, I'm taking Rivaj UK's liner in the nude 0 to 5. I'll line my lips properly with this pencil, and then to fill in my lips, I am taking Diana of London's 2000 Kisses Hazelnut. This is a very pretty color. This is a very pretty nude or brownish shade. I just love this, guys. So guys, this is this simple. Here is the final look. I hope you guys like this. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and don't forget to comment down below.